Guys, came straight from China. This is Vivo X Fold, top of the line, foldable on the market right now. There is not a single device better than him. Not a single foldable device better than him right now. It came from Asia. Thank you, Trinity Electronics. Thank you for Ben. Thank you so much for recommendation. And here we go. I already took the wrap. The box, guys. The box made from leather feel material. Very premium. Crazy, right? The internal box made from Alcantara. It's very, I'm gonna try to, very soft to touch. Look at this. It's just crazy. Accessories located in the drawer. There is a charger, dual charger actually. I heard the Apple trying to do this. Dual charger, totally 80 watts. Look at this. This little brick holds totally 80 watts. Jesus. Okay, that's crazy. Charge 0 to 60 in 0 to 100, I'm sorry, in 37 minutes. It's a beast. This is oh my god, I'm gonna put this shit back. I thought it's gonna be wireless. Okay, I disappointed. Okay, pin and the cable. So nothing interesting in the unboxing. There is no cases, nothing, but the box still looks super loyal. The phone. Oof, it's heavy. Oh wow, here we go. Wow, I don't see a crease and minimum level. They use new technology to illuminate the crease. It's a new it's a new hinge that has a floating wing. So every time you open hinge, it pops the floating wing and it's straight out the hinge. So genius. It's a aerospace grade hinge. Use around 6 heavy materials such as liquid metal zirconium, F53 aviation high strength steel, hand tier steel sheet in large quantities. There is a carbon boards inside and much more. What can I tell a little bit more facts about this phone? Just because on the internet there is a lot of wrong information. Let me close it. The back. Oh, it's beautiful. First, at the beginning, I didn't like the real panel, just because I thought it looks kind of funky, but in real life, it looks very premium, guys. There is no stitching. It looks like a stitching, but it's a single piece, so it's very smooth. The cameras. Let's go close. Yeah, like this. Let's check the quality build. 66 watt charging. Look what I have. I guess it's from Oppo and OnePlus. So what is this? This is IR blaster. This device have IR blaster. There is many reviewers said they didn't have it. They have confused this hole with the sensors, proximity sensors, but it's actually AR blaster. So this phone is packed with the technology. Let me tell you the most important. Zeiss, camera Zeiss, it's made in German lenses, but it's not only camera. It was to mention, in additional to the cooperation of the camera optics Zeiss, display cover, internal and external. It's also Scott Group under the Carl Zeiss foundation. So the internal screen protection, Carl Zeiss, front screen And the real glass, this one is also Carl Zeiss, so it's not just the cameras, it's much more than that. What can I tell you more? What cool information about this device? Let me see. It used latest E5 Samsung panels inside and outside, so it's the latest Samsung screen. Let me open again. You almost don't see the crease, almost don't feel the crease, guys, almost don't feel the crease. It's very crazy. It uses a 3D ultrasonic fingerprints, and it's located not on the side as on any other foldables. It's located under the screen. One is here and there is another one, guys, here. It's crazy. It's a first foldable phone with under-screen sensors. CPU, it's a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It's the same as a Snapdragon 888, just with much more better GPU that have a 30% more performance than previous one. The cool thing about this phone, it's LPDDR6040. If you don't know what is this, it's a DDR5, but it's a latest enhanced version of the memory. It's again LPDDR6400. It has an overclock version of UFC 3.1. Flash memory, exactly. So top of the line, 12 gigabytes of LPDDR6400. It's a top of the line RAM right now, currently on the market. And UFC 3.1, which is overclocked. It's nuts. Do you ever heard of it? 4600 mAh of battery, 66 watt charging. 66 watt charging. It has something. If you can see, it says letter T. T, it's a coating, Zeiss optical lens coating technology, something like that. Of course, it's do RAW, super pictures and all that stuff. It's not interesting. It's also cool to mention that it has independent hi-fi chip inside. So you have it with all possible codecs. So it's pretty cool, man. Very heavy phone. 311 grams. 311 grams of the brains. It's not a joke, guys. Let me get close look. Of course, it comes with the Google support, 100% Google support. So it's pre-installed Google services, so you don't have to do anything. Connections are very nice. Nice click sound. Very nice. There's 2 speakers. Look at this crease. It's almost not noticeable. It's just crazy. Just crazy. Alright guys, the next review, it will be around about the software. Please subscribe. I'll tell you a lot of more unique information about this device. Peace.